Today we are going to discuss how to manage time properly in IELTS reading. Let's go. The first and the most important point is find the keyword. You have to find the proper noun or the common noun in the question and try to locate them in the passage. The second point is skimming and scanning technique. Skimming is reading rapidly to get a general overview of the passage, while scanning is finding some proper noun or a common noun in the passage. And don't forget, you have to attempt 40 questions in 60 minutes. So you have like 1.5 minutes for every question. So if you can't find the answer for one question, just move on and try to find the next question. And here is our secret tip. Don't lose your focus while doing IELTS reading. Most of the students start thinking about something else while doing IELTS reading. But your 100% focus should be on the passage and not on anything else. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit Spectrum Overseas Jalandhar. Thank you.